Oval Office, Zelensky made a complete fool of himself. He sold his country without, I mean, because I watched again entire 45 minutes of the entire thing.
Yeah, I did.
The
too.
controversy is surrounding the 5 minutes.
Just the 5
at the
minutes.
end.
Yes.
In those entire 40 minutes, Trump is so
Yeah, genial. He's
unbelievable.
And he said,
I think ये क्या हो गया कुछ खा लिया पी लिया क्या इसने मतलब
Zelensky
got Trump like.
He got triggered.
Yes,
he
he
didn't.
was constantly
You're all
triggering.
getting this wrong.
At the end of the day, Trump is right about one thing. Ukraine does not have the cards. Zelensky did not have the cards. Now, when you know it,
But he didn't say that till the end. He
right?
didn't wag
so
his finger
he,
till
he
the
was
end.
giving him a
Yeah.
leeway, long rope,
Yeah.
long rope. See, basically, it comes down to this. In today's world, as a layman, you have experts here, no doubt about it. As a layman in today's world, if you want to save your nation from complete slavery and subjugation by another nation, you have two options. One is nuclear. The other is you join an alliance like NATO or any other alliance that will fight for you. Ukraine was deprived of both. So, what is the option that it has? So, I have always been on day one against the invasion of Ukraine by Russia because Ukraine has a choice. What does it want to do to protect itself? That every sovereign country must have. So, Ukraine, of course, it's not nuclear. It was, but those were Soviet Union bombs. It had to return it legally. So, it's not nuclear. The only other choice it has that it wants to protect Ukrainians is to join an alliance. What's wrong with that?